Hello. Raising my finger. Now. Raising my finger. Now. Let's see what happens. And here we have the bathroom in its original pristine state. No indication where the mirrors are going to be, no indication whether the electrical outlets are in the right place, and there's a whole bunch of towels in front of it too. Got to fix that. This is the wall completely marked up to show the positions of the mirrors, the light fixture, and the places where the electrical outlet and light supply boxes should be located. All the areas are drawn in pencil, which doesn't photograph very well. That explains the multitude of pieces of blue tape. The tape shows up well on the photo and mark the edges and the corners of the various areas. As you'll see in the next few slides, that allowed me to draw in darker lines on the computer rendering of the wall and then to create the optimistic simulation of the. In this picture, as in the remaining ones, the wall has been photoshopped clean. And here the outer edges of the mirrors are drawn in. In this shot, the green lines inside the black outlines indicate where the drywall will be cut out to accommodate the back of the mirrors. It comes within 3/8 of an inch of the outer edges of the mirrors. In this picture, the blue outline at the top shows the planned position of the light fixture, and the center line for the electrical boxes is also shown. The planned positions for the light supply box and the outlet box are also drawn in. And here, through the magic of photoshopping, we can truly enter a fantasy land. By adding photos of the mirrors and the nearly assembled light fixture, we simulate what the final wall will look like. Okay, back to reality. Here's the starting point. As you may recall, the fully marked up wall on April 3rd. This is the progress as of the end of April 4th. Only small portions of the wall are opened in order to preserve the markings and measurements that will be needed for subsequent work. The achievement today was moving the light fixture supply box to its final position and opening the outlet box area to assess what will need to be done to move it to the center line. And here we are at the end of the day on April 5th. Both electrical boxes are in their final positions. The open area of the wall is where the drywall will be replaced, except for the 3-inch strip of wood at the top. That strip provides a solid anchoring structure for the screws that will hold up the light fixture, and it won't be covered. Drywall work will start tomorrow. The plan is to completely cover the hole, tape the seams, and apply the first layer of joint compound. Still to be done is to cut out the drywall in order to recess the back of the mirrors into the wall. Those areas will not need to be replaced or repaired because they'll be covered by the mirrors. I still haven't completely worked out the method for hanging the mirrors. The plan to recess them into the wall and position the hooks so that the mirrors end up at the correct heights are strongly and that they are strongly supported is a bit more complicated than first appears. And for that reason, after starting the drywall repair, I'll be simulating the mirror mounting with scrap plywood and drywall to test out the mirror hanging method.